In this video, I'm going to discuss why email marketing is so important for your business. And this could be your online business or a brick and mortar physical location business. So first off, you've probably heard the term the money is in the list. A more accurate description would be the money is in the relationship of your list. So if you have an email list of 1,000 subscribers, but none of them have bought anything from you, and they're disinterested in the things you put out there, maybe you send out links to your YouTube videos or your blog posts, and none of them visit your videos or your articles, then you wouldn't have a very productive list. So you need to build a list right and nurture it. Make sure you give your subscribers a lot of value. And when you do sell products or services to them, make sure they're products and services that you believe in and you actually use yourself. So if built correctly, you could earn anywhere from $1 to $3 per month per subscriber. So to put this into perspective, if you had a list of 10,000 subscribers, you could possibly make $5,000 to $30,000 per month with that list. Another great benefit of a well-built list is that for every dollar that you spend on advertising, you can make anywhere from $20 to $40 from your email list. Also, you can reach your subscribers whenever and wherever you want. You can grow your influence. So maybe you want to teach others, and you can easily do this through an email subscriber list. An email list is a great way to promote your newest videos, whether it be on YouTube or Vimeo, or maybe your own website. You can send out a link to your newest blog post and grow influence that way. And finally, you can sell your product or service. And the great thing about this is you don't have to actually own the product yourself. You can simply promote products that you use and trust and believe in, and then make commission sales from those as an affiliate. A great thing about your email list is most companies, email marketing companies, will allow you to segment your list. And segmenting is really important, and it can also help improve your conversions as well as sales. And the way we segment our lists is typically using tags. And these tags are simple worded codes that you can place in. And once you send out an email, you can pick the tag you want, and that email will only be sent out to the person that's under that tag. So for instance, people who have purchased in the past can be on a separate segmented list using the purchase or bought tag. You can also have a separate list for people who are undecided and haven't purchased yet, but maybe they're on the fence. And finally, you maybe offer membership sites and membership plans, and maybe you want a segmented list for people who are only on the free plan or a paid plan. The great thing about tags is you don't have to have a separated list, like a full list that's separated. Just think of it as a list within a list when using segmentation and tags. So in conclusion, your email list is one of the best business assets you can create. Number one is you actually own it, and no one can take it away from you unless you're breaking the law. Unlike YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, you actually own the data, the names and emails of the subscribers on your list. And so let's say you lose your YouTube account or your Facebook account, you can always send out a blast email to all your subscribers to let them know what's going on and where they can find you. With that said, I'll leave a link in the description to how you can get started with email marketing with System.io. And it is a link to a free account, so you can get started and create your own email list and start sending out emails to your subscriber list. And in a future video, I will show you how to create an email campaign and create emails with System.io. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.